we're going to show you how to create a new database service in MedStack Control. It can be done very simply by clicking the New Database Service button inside of a cluster within the Control tab of MedStack dashboard. When you click the New Database Service button, you're presented with the choice to select one of two database types. One is a MySQL database, and the other is a PostgreSQL database. For the purposes of this demo, we will create a PostgreSQL database. You can select the version of the database. Selecting the tier and the size of the database will dictate the size of server that we spin up, which includes an IOPS spec, the RAM that is allocated on that server, and number of virtual CPUs that are available on that server. More information on this can be found in our support documentation on the database managed service. Next, you'll want to specify the storage size. We support between 1 GB and 16 TB of provisioned storage on a managed database service. You'll want to specify that here. Next, and most importantly, is setting up the database credentials. These credentials are required to be able to access the database using the connection strings that are provided once you have successfully created the database. Go ahead and create those now. Once you've created your database credentials and you have specified the configuration of the database that you would like, you can create it. The database that's being created is indicated underneath the New Database Service button. You can see in this example that I've already created a MySQL 5.6 database service. There are some options that are accessible to you where you can delete the database or you could reset the password. It's important to note that you are unable to reset or change the username. So it's very important that you capture the database credentials when you originally create the database service. To access the connection strings, you'll just need to click into the name of the database service. When you do that, you'll see a list of all the service strings available in different frameworks and languages.